In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications from Google Calendar. If you've ever felt bombarded by the incessant pinging of event alerts or reminders, you're not alone. Thankfully, Google Calendar offers a simple way to manage and mute these notifications, allowing you to control exactly what you hear and what remains blissfully silent. Before we dive into this process, make sure you're logged into your Google account and have your calendar opened up in the web version on your computer. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is also known as the settings icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize a multitude of options for your calendars. Next, find the section in the left sidebar labeled Settings for My Calendars. Here you'll see a list of all the calendars associated with your Google account. Select the calendar for which you want to turn off notifications. Once selected, you'll see a new menu appear in the main panel with options specifically for that calendar. Scroll down this menu to locate Event Notifications. Within this section, you'll see the current notifications set up for this calendar. To remove these, simply look for a small X next to each notification method listed and click it. This will remove that particular notification preference. If you also have all-day events on your calendar, you should do the same under the all-day event notifications section to ensure you're not receiving alerts for those either. It's important to customize both sections to suit your preferences for a more peaceful notification experience. As an optional step, you can scroll further to Other Notifications. This section allows you to manage notifications for various types of events, such as new events, changed events, canceled events, or event responses. If any of these are unnecessary, feel free to turn them off by toggling their respective switches. And there you have it. You've now successfully configured your Google Calendar to stop sending alerts from the specified calendar. With all these settings in place, you'll no longer receive notifications from this calendar, granting you a little more peace of mind and fewer distractions. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you decide you need notifications for any particular events or activities. Thank you for joining me today.